Good morning, students. So in this module I'll cover the chapter 24 mathematics. So the chapter is solution of right triangles. So in this chapter basically you will be given some triangles. Like the triangle can be right angle. Like this is a triangle. So the triangle is right angle, it is having 90 degree here. It is marked ABC. So this angle is 30 degree and here the angle is 20 centimeter. So we need to find the length of AB. So we need to use to find AB, we have to use a trigonometric ratio, that is T ratio, which is having a relation between this perpendicular and base. We know it is tan. So tan 30 can be written as perpendicular BC upon base AB, and we know tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So BC can be placed 20 and AB is unknown. So AB, if we do the cross, we will get AB equals to 20 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, in question number next example, again there is a right angle triangle. The triangle is this way. Here it is 90 and there is another triangle which is made this way. This is again 90. So this is zone 5, this is zone x degree, this is zone 10, here it is y degree, and here it is 10. So now first of all we need to find the value of x and y. So for this y degree, the side which is in front of that is taken as perpendicular and this is taken as base. So we know that tan is having relation between perpendicular and base, right? Tan y degree equals to 10 upon 10, that is perpendicular upon base, it comes to 1, and you all know that tan 45 is having 1 value. So in place of 1 we can write tan 45, so y equals to 45 degree. So we got the value of y 45 degree. Now for x degree, we can say the side which is in front of x is taken as perpendicular and the side which is opposite to 90 degree is taken as hypotenuse. So it is having a relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is having sine theta. Some people have it is sine x equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It is 5 upon 10, it comes 1 upon 2, and we know 1 upon 2 is value of sine 30 degree. So x equals to 30 degree. So we got the angle x equals to 30 and y equals to 45. Now in the next figure, there is again a triangle which is having a perpendicular in the middle. So this is zone theta. Here it is showing 20 centimeter and it is 10 centimeter. This is 45 degree. The name is A, B, C and D. Okay. So the length of BD, we need to find the length of BD. So this is tan 45 and this is perpendicular. So we have to find the base. So the T ratio tan is having relation between perpendicular and base. So tan 45 can be written AD upon BD. Tan 45 is 1, AD is 10, BD is don't know, unknown. So BD can be written as 10 centimeters. So we got the length of BD. Now we have to find the angle theta. So for theta angle, it is perpendicular given and this is opposite of 90, that is hypotenuse given. So we can write sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is AD upon AC, that is 10 upon 20, 1 upon 2. So sine theta equals to sine 30. We know sine 30 is 1 by 2. So theta is 30 degree. Now we need to find the length of BC. So to find the length of BC, first we need to find BC. So we can say tan, we know that now theta is 30, so tan 30 can be written AD upon DC, perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AD is 10, DC unknown, DC can be written 10 root 3 centimeter. So to find BC, BC can be written BD plus DC, and we know the length of BD, it is 10 plus 10 root 3. We can take 10 common, so 1 plus root 3. If you want to find the exact value, then for root 3 we can say 1.732. That can be 10 multiplied by 2.732, that is 27.32. So this is the way we need to proceed with all the examples, and then you have to solve the question of exercises. Thank you.